What is up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a great day. Been working on some Christmas lights today and thought I would share with you a Christmas light tester I built a few years ago. Just always hangs out in my Christmas lights every year and seems like I use it all the time. Super simple to build. Start with 2 AA batteries. You just need to have some way to hold them so they're in line. I just put in 4 grabbers that kind of hold them. Grabbers on the end capture them so they can't slide one way or the other. Have a piece of wire hooked to the top one here, which is my positive. It wraps around and hooks into a nail I have pounded in. The other wire comes off the negative, does exactly the same thing and goes to the other nail. Don't want the wires to touch at all, but that gives you those 2 nails a place that you can take your bulb, which has 2 little wires on each side. Just slide it in between, and where those are on a little angle, it'll just hold that light so you can test it and see if it works. I'll try another one here. I don't have any idea if this works or not. Oh, that one is a good bulb. And slide that in. Nope, that one is not a good one. Also, I found this year that everything's starting to change over to LED, and I was curious if it works on LED. And if you get it in there just right, it does. So there is a quick little homemade bulb tester to help you figure out what lights are good and which light bulbs are bad. Also, another quick hack I thought was kind of cool. Every time you get a strand of lights, you always end up with some spares and fuses and stuff like that. So I got a little case. I actually picked this up from Home Depot. Every time you get a new strand of lights, I just always throw the extra bulbs and the fuses and all that in. And that just hangs out in our Christmas stuff. So when you need something, go rummage through it. And most of the time, something in there to help you out. So anyway, everybody have an awesome day. And thanks for taking a look.